Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everybody, myself Suraj Dilip Bhosle. I am studying in Zil Polytechnic Diploma in Civil Engineering. Today I am presenting my mini project of the subject Chemistry. The project guided by Professor Bhagat ma'am. The project title of project explain the water softening. So go to the next slide. Content. First, the ion exchange process. Second, softening process. Third, types of water softening. Fourth, operations and maintenance. Fifth, advantages of water softening. Sixth, disadvantages of water softening. Seventh, alternative of ion exchange. Go to the next slide. First, the ion exchange process. Ion exchange process water treatment method where one or more undesirable ionic contaminants are removed from water by exchange with another non-objectable or less objectable ion substance. So, go to the next slide. Second, water softening process. Water softening process of removing the dissolved calcium and magnesium salts that case of hardness in on a small scale. Chemical used for softening included ammonia, borax, calcium hydroxide or trisodium phosphate, usually in conjunction with sodium carbonate. So go to the next. Third, types of water softening. First, salt-based water softening. Second, salt-free water softening. Third, portable water softening. Fourth, showerhead water softening. Fifth, reverse osmosis water softening. Sixth, magnetic water softening. Go to the next slide. Fourth, operations and maintenance. Water softening removal hardness through ion exchange process. Incoming hard water passes through a tank of containing high capacity ion exchange. Resin beads superstructure with sodium. When this occurs, the tank must be recharged by the flushing with a salt-based solution. So, go to the next slide. Fifth, advantages of water softening. First, saves money. Soft water lacks the minerals ions that case of build-up in your pipes and appliances, saving you from costly repair bills. Second, cleaner hair and softer skin. Third, brighter and softer clothes. Fourth, cleaner dishes. Fifth, less time cleaning. So, go to the next slide. 6. Disadvantages of water softening. First, the end of products may be too soft for some people. Second, too much sodium. Third, not suitable for irrigation. Fourth, they are expensive to install and maintain. Fifth, the alternative are also expensive. 6. With the directly minerals requirement. So go to the next slide. 7th, alternative of ion exchange unit. A better alternative. If would you like to soften your water while lessen your impact on the environment, consider purchasing Pelican's Nature Soft water softening alternative instead of ion exchange system. Thank you so much watching to me.
Seal Education Society, redefining excellence.